What you are about to witness is not a repair, it's a resurrection. A forgotten relic, left to decay, holds a story waiting to be unveiled. Its journey from ruin to rebirth will challenge everything you know about restoration. A man approaches not just a mechanic, but a historian of the machine. The first step begins. As this lost legend is brought into the workshop, under the workshop lights, the hood is lifted, revealing a heart that has long since stopped beating. The deconstruction is meticulous, a careful autopsy of a mechanical titan. Every component, caked in years of grime, is carefully examined. Teamwork is essential, as heavy parts are methodically stripped away. The complex web of wires and hoses tells a tale of past journeys. Power tools accelerate the disassembly, bringing us closer to the core. The intricate carburetor, the lungs of the engine, is gently removed. Even the underbelly of the beast must surrender its secrets. Inside the cabin, time has stood still. The process of renewal requires a total teardown. With force and precision, the interior is stripped to its bare bones. Every piece of this puzzle is methodically taken apart. The work is relentless, a testament to unwavering dedication. The cab, once a driver's sanctuary, is now an empty shell, layer by layer. The past is peeled away. Making way for the future? The vehicle is now a skeleton, its identity erased, ready to be reborn. A new chapter begins, this time with a military-grade legend. Inside an olive-drab shell, the hidden world of the transmission is exposed. Compressed air blasts away decades of dirt. A transformative act of purification. Grease-stained hands work with practiced ease, disassembling the complex machinery. The old exhaust, arustetrelik, is the first major component to be set aside. The heart of the machine, the engine itself, is prepared for its astonishing removal. A coordinated effort, a dance of mechanics. As the massive engine block is lifted from its home, suspended in midair, the engine's true scale and complexity are unveiled. Attention turns to the gearbox, where every gear tells a part of the story. The intricate ballet of cogs and wheels is carefully taken apart. Each ga'a, once part of a powerful whole, is now isolated for inspection. The cleansing begins, a baptism for steel, washing away the ravages of time. Every groove and surface is meticulously cleaned, preparing it for a second life. Grinding away the imperfections, the metal's hidden brilliance is restored. A final rinse ensures every part is pristine before reassembly. The rebirth of the gearbox commences piece by gleaming piece. With incredible precision, the puzzle of gears is put back together. Each component slides perfectly into place, a symphony of mechanical harmony. The complex assembly continues. A task requiring immense focus. The final pieces are set, and the gearbox is whole once more. Now, the focus shifts to the engine block, where skilled hands begin their craft. A close-up reveals the delicate process of cleaning and refining a small engine component. Careful hands begin reassembling, their movements confident and precise. Two mechanics work in unison, their combined skill ensuring perfection. Years of rust are painstakingly brushed away, uncovering the raw metal beneath. A vibrant coat of paint is applied, the first sign of a brilliant transformation. The steady hand of the painter ensures a flawless, protective finish. The engine block, heavy and silent, is hoisted into position. The massive engine becomes the new canvas for this mechanical artist. Wrenches turn, Bolts are tightened as the teardown of the old engine begins. Under a protective mask, the mechanic works with intense concentration. A gloved hand inspects the work, feeling for imperfections invisible to the eye. An impact wrench makes quick work of stubborn bolts, disassembling with controlled power. Each part is carefully removed, cataloged for the restoration ahead. The process is slow and methodical. A deep dive into the engine's soul. The patient deconstruction continues, unveiling the core components. Every screw and bolt is accounted for in this complex mechanical surgery. The mechanic's focus is unwavering. Lost in the rhythm of the work, deeper and deeper into the engine, the teardown reveals its innermost workings. The final elements of the block are now ready to be stripped. The cylinder head, coated in oil and grime, is lifted away. With the head removed, the pistons and crankshaft are finally exposed. Inside the cavernous block, the raw power of the engine lies dormant. An impact driver loosens the head bolts, releasing the pressure held for years. Working as a team, the mechanics tackle the delicate task together. The crankshaft, the engine's backbone, is carefully prepared for removal. A moment of intense inspection, searching for signs of wear and tear. The engine block, now completely bare, is a testament to the thorough deconstruction. Tiny instruments are used to clean the most intricate passages within the components. A swift, sharp blow is needed to dislodge a stubborn valve guide. The engine valves are submerged and scrubbed, each one meticulously purified. The cleansing process is vital, ensuring a flawless rebuild. No speck of dirt or grime can remain. Perfection is the only goal. A high-pressure wash blasts away the last remnants of the engine's former life. Even the smallest parts receive the same transformative cleaning treatment. The reassembly begins. From a sea of parts, a new engine will rise. Each restored component is carefully reintroduced to the engine block. The build is a slow, deliberate process, a reversal of the deconstruction. The gleaming crankshaft is lowered back into place. The heart of the engine reborn. Piece by piece, the engine begins to take its final form. The mechanic's hands move with a rhythm born of experience and profound respect for the machine. The pistons, scarred from their past life, are held up for inspection. They are dipped into a chemical bath, a crucial step in their rejuvenation. A powerful spray strips away the carbon buildup, revealing the clean metal underneath. Small components are polished to a mirror shine, restored to better than new condition. A sealing agent is applied to the cylinder head, ensuring a perfect, leak-proof fit. The same care is taken with the crankshaft, preparing it for immense pressure. A torque wrench ensures every bolt is tightened to exact engineering specifications. New piston rings are carefully fitted. A delicate task demanding a steady hand. Precision calipers measure the cylinder liners, confirming tolerances for a perfect rebuild. The engine assembly continues. As the powerful machine comes back to life, a hammer and dowel are used to gently guide a connecting rod into its precise location. Each new part is added with care, building toward the final, powerful whole. A bead of sealant is applied, a critical barrier against heat and pressure. A cover is placed, enclosing another section of the masterfully rebuilt engine. The final bolts are torqued, securing the engine for its future service. With the mechanical heart ready, attention turns to the weathered body. Grinders scream as they strip away decades of rust and faded paint. Two mechanics work in tandem, smoothing the rough, pitted metal. They take a moment to survey their work, planning the next step of the transformation. The interior is swept clean, removing the last vestiges of its past. The bodywork now begins in earnest, smoothing the canvas for its new identity. A fresh layer of primer is applied, a gray canvas awaiting its true color. Body filler is skillfully applied, erasing the dents and scars of time. Every imperfection is filled and smoothed, a testament to the artisan's patience. The surface is sanded to a flawless finish, preparing it for the final coat. The entire team engages in the sanding, ensuring no part of the body is overlooked. They inspect their work meticulously, knowing the final result depends on this preparation. The wet sanding process creates a perfectly smooth, glass-like surface. Every curve and line of the classic body is now perfectly defined. The moment of truth arrives. A vibrant new color is sprayed onto the body. The vehicle is utterly transformed, shedding its rusted past for a brilliant future. Its iconic grille, Onze Dul, now gleams with renewed pride. The legend is reborn, no longer a relic. It commands the road once more. From a forgotten field to the open road, the journey is complete. A testament to skill, passion, and the enduring spirit of a classic.
A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel at Restoration Channel 562 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.